Dear children, welcome to my TED's YouTube channel. Today I'll explain you what is nature. Here you can see nature is our friend. Nature is our friend. What can we see our nature? What are the things we can see our nature? What are the places we can see our nature? But I can't explain you all the things what can we see in our nature. But I give you an idea what are the things we can see. What are the places we can see our nature. Mountain, island, waterfall, rainbow, forest, beach, clouds, field, desert. Then here you can see these examples. But sun, moon, stars, flowers, trees, plants, there are many more things in our nature. They are very beautiful and attractive. What is the word you can see in here? Trees. First you'll see some names of the trees. Coconut, teak, jack, breadfruit. Here you can see coconut, teak, jack and breadfruit. Banyan, bamboo, almond. Here you can see banyan, bamboo, almond. Now here you saw jack tree, breadfruit, teak, coconut, banyan, bamboo and almond. But not only these trees, there are many types of trees in this world. Not only this world, in our country also we can see many types of trees. There can be small trees or big trees in this world. Parts of a tree. Here we'll discuss what are the parts of a tree. What are the main parts of a tree. Then here you can see a beautiful tree. Then we'll see what are the parts in here. You can see a leaf or leaves. If it is one, we call leaf. But if it is more, leaves. Leaf or leaves. Here you can see flowers. Here fruits, branches, trunk and roots. Here you can see the main parts of a tree. Leaf or leaves, flowers, fruits, branches, trunk, roots. Then here you can see the main parts of a tree. What are the essential factors to grow a plant? You all know if we plant a small seed, day by day, little by little, it is growing as a big tree. Then we'll see to grow like that, what are the essential factors they need. Here you can see sunlight, air, water, good soil and manure. Sunlight, air, water, good soil, manure. These are the essential factors to grow a plant. What are the uses of trees? Trees give us fruits. Trees give us food. Trees give us medicine. Trees give us shade. Trees save water. In this picture you can see plants give us foods. There are different types of fruits and vegetables in here. Trees give us fruits. Trees give us food. Trees give us medicine. Trees give us shade. Trees save water. Trees give fresh air. Trees give shelters to birds. Trees clean up the air. Trees give wood. Then here you can see trees give fresh air. Trees clean up the air. When you hear these two sentences, What can you understand? Do you know when we are breathing, we breathe in, we take in oxygen. We breathe out carbon dioxide. Breathe in oxygen, fresh air. Breathe out carbon dioxide, dirty air. Then these trees, they are taking this carbon dioxide, dirty air, and giving out fresh air, oxygen. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. These trees, they take in carbon dioxide and they are giving out oxygen, fresh air. Because of these trees only, we can have this fresh air, oxygen. Then here in this picture you can see what are the uses of trees. What are the uses of trees?